Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Why Clarity Act didn't matter. I'll show you why this morning and why I'm back in crypto. And I'm back big. I'm using a lot of money this morning to buy into crypto, and I'll explain why. It's going to be a big day today on the show. We're also giving many of you from Instagram the opportunity to join Discord this morning. It is a white glove service. Not anyone can join. We have over 1,000 now pro investors, many large whales, high wealth individuals, and some companies, and some small investors as well, and families. So we take that very seriously. We protect that community. You have to go through an interview process. You have to join during a live show, and you have to join within 1 hour. So once you start the process, you have to complete it within an hour. If not, you'll never get a chance to apply again. So stand by. I will tell you when it's time to join Discord. If you want to get all of my trades 24/7 and one-on-one support with the best community on Discord with no price increase, no adverts, no commercials, no bots, no AI, just one-on-one service with me and my team, I will give you the signal during this stream this morning, and you can join. Our first onboarding session will start in 15 minutes. On the hour, you can start the process. So stand by if you wish to do that. So if you want to join, there is the link in the chat. It's also pinned to the top. Why would you want to join? Well, let me show you. If we look at the S&P 500, the S&P year to date is up 12%. Absolutely rubbish. It's a below average year, not doing well at all. Everyone will tell you it's the best year ever, but it isn't. It is a rubbish year. It is below average at the moment. Nothing special about it. So what is my position? What have I done this year? And what have I done for the last 3 and 4 years consistently? Well, you all know if you watch the show regularly, I've beaten the market by 3 and 4x for 3 years, 4 years in a row. Year to date, I'm up 51%. Despite the pullback on SpaceX, I'm still up 51% this year. And that was not achieved through crypto options shorting the market. That was buying great businesses at the right time, because I'm very well connected and I share all of my trades with you on Discord. And there we go. Now then, this morning we have entered back into Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum, and Solana, and we are up on all our positions. It was all shared on YouTube Electrum. It was all shared on Discord. Now I'm going to give you the reasons why. So there we go. I'm up on Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, and Solana. So how much have I bought for my initial position? All right. So my initial position is $44,000. I bought back in with $44,000. So why does it look like I'm down at the moment today? That's because of the costs when you buy crypto, the spread and all the rest of it. But I'm actually up on those trades. That's the cost of buying it. But as you can see, it started to go up since then. Now, do I think it's the bottom? No, sadly, I don't. I think it could go lower. So why am I buying? Because the risk to reward makes sense, and I've heard good rumblings from my White House press room contact that things are about to change, and Clarity Act doesn't even matter. And I'll explain all of that in a minute. So I'm back in crypto. Now, as you know, I'm in the middle of a fast. I haven't eaten since Sunday, 7 o'clock. I've now hit a wall. It's difficult to be with you right now, but I'm pushing through it because I will not be eating. I'm only drinking water and electrolytes till Thursday close. Why Thursday close? Because I want maximum amount of focus and foresight on the market. Literally, I mean foresight. I can get good feelings for things, and I want to be absolutely on my top form. So I am in autophagy right now, and I am not eating until Thursday. You should not follow this health advice. It's not health advice or medical advice or even trading advice. This is what I do. I didn't invite you in. You came in of your own free will to watch what I'm doing. This is my life. I'm sharing my thoughts, my trades, what I'm doing, and you are choosing to watch. Please do not follow me. This is not designed to provide you with health or medical advice or whatever. But I will start eating and I will have a boiled egg on Thursday night when the bell goes. Why? Because that is the unlock day. Over. I want maximum focus. I am $1 million all in on SpaceX. I've now entered the crypto market as well. So let's see my position. I started with $5,000 5 years ago, and I'm now at $897,000. The question everyone's asking is, one, is Martyn going to pass out on the live show? But the other thing people are asking is, will I make $1 million by Thursday? I am making a prediction that every social media influencer who literally talks rubbish disagrees with me. Every bank, every institution in the world thinks what I'm saying is possible. Every media outlet, whether it's mainstream or just homegrown, sat on the toilet nonsense, doesn't think it's possible at all. But banks, institutions do, and I've been talking with them, and they've been repositioning to get ready for Thursday. I think I could be a millionaire by Thursday, all from one $5,000 investment. All right? Okay, let's get straight back into it. Let me give you all the news on Clarity, why it doesn't matter, why I'm back in XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Solana. Right, in 8 minutes' time, a 1 hour window will open on Discord. If you wish to join us, get all of my trades behind the scenes, one-on-one support. We have stage events twice a day. Every trading day, there are 2 stage events. We show you how to read balance sheets. You can book private time with me if you want to. You can literally book a week ahead, an actual spot where I will call you up privately and do a video call with you. My time is worth $700 an hour, and I give it to you for $25 if you are a member on Discord. We can give you, we can go through a balance sheet. We can do all this kind of stuff. It's not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm simply telling you how to read I'm showing you how I read a balance sheet and all the rest of it. That's a service we provide now exclusively in Discord, not available anywhere else. And in 8 minutes time, you can apply to join Discord, and you'll have 1 hour. You only get one chance at it once you apply. If you fail, you're rejected, and you'll never get chance to enter again. All right? It's a white glove service. It's because we have serious whales who live inside our services. All right? Not today. No, today in 45 minutes. Okay, great. All right, people are already queuing up to join. All right, I'm just reading the comments on Discord. So let me explain to you the Clarity Act, why I'm back in with Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, and Solana. And I'm up on all of it at the moment with about $45,000. Well, let's get into it. Shall we do Q&A first? Let me just welcome everybody in, and then I'll start. All right. So good afternoon, Martyn, everyone. Luke's, how are you? Lux Shoyers. Good day, Traderoos. Bitcoin, how are you? Wyoming Jackson Hole event today. 400-person invite only blockchain summit. Is that right? I wonder if we'll cover that today. Let me make a phone call to my team. Let me make a quick phone call. Let's see if anyone picks up this morning. Let's see if we can cover that for you. Good morning, William Myers. Good morning, afternoon, Martyn and all. Pro member here, Potato Family. You are again now. Yassine, Raz. Hello, everyone. Liz. Good morning, Ricardo. Hiya, Sensei. Just a quick call. Someone is telling me in the chat that there's a Jackson Hole blockchain summit today. Do you know anything about that? Okay. Okay, let me know, and then message me in 18 plus, and if I can let the audience know that there'll be something happening, then I'll promote it for you. Thank you. Cheers. Bye. Right, that's Sensei. He's just looking into whether we can broadcast it or not. If we can, we'll bring it to you. Morris, good morning, Potato Family. Yassine, hello, Liz. Good morning, Banana Heads. Welcome, everybody. Good morning, RB. How you doing? Sound is dodgy this morning. Not for me or anybody else. It's just your speakers. There's absolutely nothing wrong with our broadcast. A non-member. There you go. Good morning, Martyn. Glad to see you have the energy without food. You're looking like $1 million. Thank you very much indeed. I feel good. I'm in autophagy now. I've actually lost 3 pounds. 3 pounds now since Sunday night. Today I'll probably lose another 2 today. So I'll be down to my weight that I want. Yeah, I've got some electrolytes arriving this afternoon as well from Amazon Direct. So I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, I'm good. I'm doing good. The focus of my mind is starting to really sparkle now. My mind is sparkling. So let me tell you, I'm going to give you a very personal, powerful, private, shouldn't do it online, but I'm going to, special moment that happened last night. I will share with you when I get through these questions. And then we're going to open up. We're going to tell you why the Clarity Act doesn't matter, and then we're going to open up our Discord 1 hour. It's better than 8%. It's up. It was up a week ago, says Big Burn. Today's after hours SPX will be crazy. Why do you say that? You're not a member. You don't have any information, I don't believe. James, hi-yo, good morning. There's nothing wrong with the sound. It's you. Good morning. Hope you are feeling okay. I feel good. Yes, I'm hydrated. How is your fasting again working? Yep, good. I've lost 3 pounds. I'm halfway through now. Started on 7 o'clock Sunday night. No quant, Martyn. No quant, revved up biker. XRP, the only crypto with real clarity, says Shane. Eggs and $1 million, hopefully on Thursday. Gordon Kidd, I like it. Hey, Martyn, my payment bounced and I've been kicked out of Discord. I'm a Sensei news member, username Dano. Okay, let me get Sensei on the phone. Ongoing call. Oh, I didn't hang up. Sensei, you there? Sorry, I didn't realise it didn't hang up. I apologise for that. Have you still been here all this time? How weird's that? How weird's that? So spooky. So I've got a member in my chat, and he said, I feel quite honoured, Sensei. I got a direct line to you. I've not even got a ring. I just speak and you're there. It's like magic. So Daniel, he's called Dano. He says, hey, Martyn, my payment bounced. I've been kicked out of Discord and I'm a Sensei news member. Username Dano. I don't know if you can look into that for me, please, Sensei. But apparently he's been kicked out and he's a Sensei news member. So perhaps you could look into that for me. Okay. Okay, Dano02934. If that's you, Sensei has just confirmed that we have a member who is a pro member and a newsletter owner as well. What I suggest you do is create a ticket or rejoin now and you can open a ticket. Sensei, thank you very much. I will hang up this time. Thank you. Oh. Okay. Okay. All right. So it does look like Brad Garlinghouse from XRP from Ripple is going to speak today. It could be broadcast. Sensei's putting the information together for me. It will be highlighted in his newsletter. Already is, I believe. There'll be more updates coming shortly. So, after this show this morning, I'm going to meet with Sensei, and Sensei is going to give me the links and the information on it. And I could be covering it today. The XRP, well, not the XRP summit. It's a crypto summit. And Brad Garlinghouse is in attendance, and we could be covering it. Sensei, thank you. We'll speak after the call. Cheers. Bye. There you go. So the SEC gave rules for 16 blockchains. Shout out to 10K XRP holders. My first on the chat. Hello, everyone. Good to see you, Christopher. Good morning, everyone. You are red at space. Yes, no. Am I red in space? What, SPCE or Virgin Galactic? Which one are you referring to? No, I'm very green on both. I've got nearly $1 million in SpaceX, so I'm not really sure what you mean by that. Good morning, everyone from Texas. I'm also from Texas, Dallas. Ivan here. What is the next step to apply for Discord? It goes live now. Right, let me get through the last couple of questions and we'll go. So good morning, Our Town Trauma. Nonny is here. Sticky is here. Good morning, Our Town, our own trauma. Tarek, can you explain the reason you have taken trades on crypto? I'm about to do it right now. I don't think anyone in their right mind would think Martyn only put $5,000 in and got 1 million without additional investments. That would be 200,000. I don't think anyone in their right mind would think Martyn only put $5,000. Of course, I didn't just put $5,000 in. I would be a magician. I'd be a Merlin. I'd be a genius. It's beyond words when people say stuff like that. All you got to do is look at this. Look, let me show you. Year to date, in fact, 1 year, look at that. I've made $177,000 in 1 year, 60%. People say it's just income. It's not income. Look on the screen, read it. If you're stupid, that's your problem. Your lack of your knowledge doesn't constitute an emergency on mine to answer your stupid questions. I've made 61% in 1 year, and I've been doing that now consistently for 4 and 5 years. So, of course, I've made money. But yes, I've put money in. Of course, I have. Morning, Martyn, is space a buy yet? We're just talking about it now. Right, let me get to Discord. The clock starts now. So we have a white glove service, pro investors. We've got large whales, small family investors too, but many multi-million dollar, large high wealth investors, entrepreneurs, business people inside our Discord. So now Discord is closed to everybody. You have to go through a interview process. And you have to also apply live on the show, and you only have 1 hour to do it. And if you get the questions wrong, you can never join again. So don't mess it up, all right? We don't care if you do. It doesn't matter to us. We don't need thousands to join. We don't want thousands to join. It's a white glove service. It provides one-on-one support. No AI, no bots, no trolls, no commercials. Price never goes up. It's only a couple of bucks because I'm trying to help people. I don't make money out of Discord. I make money out of trading and investing. I give everybody the best service in the world at the minimum cost. And it's full of high wealth whale investors. So you get a chance to join an exclusive club, and it starts now. So here is the link in the chat. There is Discord plus the newsletter as well. There it is. It's been pinned to the top. Now, what you do is you apply right now. You have to be verified. You have to be a verified person on your email and on Discord. You can't be a troll or a bot. You just will not be allowed to enter. And then you apply. I will reply to you when you reply now, one message. And this is the message I will give to you right now. You have shown interest in joining our Discord server. You only have one chance to join ever and only 1 hour to fulfill the application. Once you reply to this, 1 hour clock will start and then run out 1 hour after. Do you wish to proceed? Do not reply or say yes if you do not have the time to complete this, as your one time only chance starts now. Now, please reply yes if you wish to continue. And if you wish to continue, you'll be given the keys to the kingdom for 1 hour and you can have a chance to join. So let me give everybody now this link here. Okay. So I'm doing that now. I'm giving everybody now in the who's applied this morning the opportunity to join. There's only 1 hour. And if you reply, your hour starts. So let me just process these applications. There are 37 that have just come in. And then I'll give you all the Clarity Act news, why it doesn't matter, why I bought back in. And I'm also looking at Virgin Galactic as well falling. There could be a trade there in a moment.
I can't believe this.
Please just bear with me to go through everybody that's applying. There's 37. This takes a few seconds. You can also be a YouTube member, a Discord member, sorry, a YouTube Electrum member and get all my trades 24/7 if you can't access Discord.
I can't
Obviously,
believe
you
this.
don't get the community. You don't get the live stage events. It's a different service altogether. Please bear with me. I'll only be a couple of minutes. I've got all the news why I bought back into crypto and why I'm not bothered about Clarity.
I can't believe this.
What's happening now? Are we getting members join all over the place? Seems like we're quite busy.
I can't believe this.
What is going on? Are we getting a lot of new members this morning? I'm doing applications for Discord and the channel's blowing up with members. Okay.
I can't believe this.
I can't believe it either. What's going on? I can't even look on the screen at the moment. 2 to go. Okay. All right. And now look on here. Pending. Refresh. Okay. The 1 hour will start once I reply to once you message me. And remember, don't reply back yes if you don't want to start the process, because you will not get a second chance. And if you have difficulty, we have a team on standby to provide manual, human, live, real service. There's going to be no bots taking care of you. It's humans, my friends, my team. And they are on standby to help. But if you mess it up, you only get one chance. So please watch the video. You've got time. Everyone will be given plenty of time to do the process properly. If you try and cheat it, you will just get banned and it'll all be over. And you'll be forever regretting that decision. Right. Okay. So our first applicants are coming in now. So here we go. I'm now processing our first, and then once I've done that, I'll be done. There'll be no more applicants today, and I'll come back and tell you why I've just bought in on crypto. I've heard some good rumors. Well, not rumors actually, good information from my sources, my White House contact, and why I bought in this morning. All right. Just give me a minute, please, guys. I'll be right with you. You won't miss anything. Just processing our first applicants. Just takes a couple of seconds. Keep messaging me. I will come back to all comments in the chat. If you have a difficulty, we'll open up. We will provide you with the team to support you, providing one-on-one support. I'm going to give you all the clarity news in a moment as well. So please just stand by. Just doing our 1 hour opportunity window for today's Discord. There'll be no opportunity later. It's a one-time deal. And remember, if you reply yes, you start your own clock. That's it. There's no second chance. Okay. We are 3/4 of the way through our new applicants. There's no more. Do not apply this morning. You will not be taken care of this morning. You can do it this afternoon on the closing bell. And the question is, will I get to $1 million on Thursday? Banks, institutions, my friends all believe yes, highly likely. But every social media influencer on earth thinks I'm mad. And that's fine. I've lived with that all my life. Right. Any more? Let's see if we're done. I'm glad everyone's taken the time to watch the video. It's very important, because if you don't, you won't be made aware of how the server works, and you won't have a clue what's going on. Right. I think we are good. I can leave that now, and I'll come back in a minute. I want to do my Clarity Act story, answer everyone's questions, and then I'll come back. But we should be good now. Thank you for your support about my fasting and the messages I've received on Instagram. Appreciate it. Those that are following the story behind the scenes. Right. That's it. Everyone's up to date. 37 applications processed. I expect only a few of those will make it through. Okay, good. We are good. Let's come back to Virgin Galactic never presented itself. It was nearly, but we're going to leave that. XRP is up. Yeah, Bitcoin. That's just dropped a little bit. Right, let's bring you the story. Let's get on with it. So, why I'm back in. As you can see, I'm up on all my positions. Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Solana. I bought $45,000 this morning. And the reason why I did so, let me explain that now. Why I'm back in crypto. I bought back into Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, and Solana, and I'm up all on it on a very important week. On a week, I could go to $1 million from $5,000 where I started. I'm at $896,000, and I'm back in crypto. And this is why. The Clarity Act. And why it's not important, and what's going on behind the scenes, and why I have decided to buy back in. This could be one of the biggest crypto stories ever, most certainly of 2026, but it could be one of the biggest stories of crypto ever. And it's what's being said behind the scenes, which is most important. And right now, the bill is still alive. People have been saying it's dead. We've gone into recess. It's too late. It's years away. But I'm going to tell you now that the bill is still alive. You got to understand the politics behind it. And I have got friends at the White House, and I've got friends in Ripple, banks, Robinhood, you name it. And I am in, because I have heard good things this morning. But there is one enormous date crypto investors need to know. September 15. September 15 is the date you need to know. Here are the facts. The Clarity Act already passed the House of Representatives. The vote was 294 to 134. That happened back in July 2025. You'll all remember, we covered it live. We were there. It was a big moment. Since then, the battle has moved to the Senate. You're all aware of that. And the Senate has been working on its own crypto framework. Did you know that? Because we didn't move forward and everybody got a little bit spooked. And is it really going to happen? And we've seen crypto go down. We've seen capitulation. We've seen people get margin called. And I have picked up all of your crypto this morning. Could it go lower? Yes, it could. I'm ready to buy $500,000 of crypto if it goes lower. But at what price? At what position will we do it? Well, let me explain to you. There's a new crypto network being developed right now. The objective is extremely important. Creates clear rules for digital assets in America. In simple terms, who regulates what? The SEC or the CFTC? The legislation would give the CFTC major authority over digital commodities. The SEC would continue regulating digital assets that qualify as securities. And this matters because for years, one of crypto's biggest problems has been uncertainty. That's been the main issue. But how does that change now? Companies have always known exactly which regulator they answer to, or whether a particular token will be treated as a security or a commodity. Clarity attempts to create that rulebook, and the Senate has actually made significant progress. Most social media influencers are chasing the curve, or they're just trying to, promote their own ends and get you to click on their videos. They're not talking directly to the sources as I am. So there is significant progress and most people have missed it and they don't understand what's coming next. I do, and that's why I bought in this morning. Let's go back. In May, the Senate Banking Committee advanced the legislation 15 votes to 9. All 13 Republicans voted to advance it, and importantly, 2 Democrats joined them. That point has been missed by lots of people. I wanted to bring it to your attention. That matters because the legislation ultimately needs bipartisan support. Then, in July, Senate Republicans released a massive updated 616-page version. That version combined work from the Banking Committee, the Agriculture Committee. It also added new provisions governing government ethics. That is important. But Democrats still raised concerns. Banks also raised serious objections. One major dispute involves rewards associated with stablecoins. You're all aware of that one. There are also ongoing disagreements over ethics, DeFi, and regulatory authority. Now then came the August deadline. The Senate left for its August recess without passing the legislation. This is where everyone gave up, walked away, and got tired of crypto. I get it. I understand it. Doesn't make any money. If you want to invest, you buy the companies that use crypto and become more efficient. I focus my money on SpaceX. As you know, 99.9% of my money is in SpaceX. That was a disappointment for crypto. That was a disappointment for everybody on social media. They thought it was over. However, this is when I've been watching closely and paying attention behind the scenes. And then I got busy by buying all of it from those that capitulated and those that got margin called. It wasn't a disappointment for crypto. It was the silent door being opened. But the bill did not die. It didn't go anywhere. Nothing actually happened. In fact, the opposite. And that's not what is being reported on crypto. social media influencers. In fact, many have gone with a ridiculous story that JP Morgan is buying tons of XRP. Utter nonsense. I think it's like about $5,000 of XRP that JP Morgan has bought. I bought more than they have. Absolutely ridiculous. But that's the story that silly Xers and influencers have gone with. I've gone with the actual sources speaking to those that actually move the asset. So let me explain to you why it's not dead and what's actually happened. Something very important happened before the recess. The Senate left. Before that happened, something important happened that was missed by every social media influencer. Senate Majority Leader John Thune moved the legislation toward a procedural vote. Quietly, off air, didn't make any news whatsoever. And that brings us to the date. Every crypto investor should be watching, but isn't. They're focused on whether JP Morgan is buying 5,000 XRP of some value. Nonsense. What you should be watching is September the 15th. The Senate is expected to face a cloture vote on the motion to proceed. That is not, I want to be clear, that is not final passage. It's essentially a crucial vote over whether the Senate moves forward with consideration of the legislation. And here's the big number. 60 votes. That's the threshold needed to overcome the procedural hurdle. So, Republicans cannot simply do this alone. They need Democratic support, and that is where the uncertainty lies. Reuters reported just overnight that the legislation would create the crypto industry's first comprehensive federal rulebook. It would establish when digital tokens are treated as securities or commodities and determine which regulators oversee them. Think about that for a moment and what that actually means. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, crypto exchanges, stablecoins, DeFi, institutional investors, banks, Wall Street. Everybody wants to understand the rules, and regulatory clarity could potentially encourage greater institutional crypto adoption. But remember, clarity passing the Senate would not immediately make it law. There would still be additional steps. The Senate version would need to be reconciled with the legislation passed by the House. Congress would ultimately need agreement on identical legislation, and then the president would need to sign it, which of course he would. So when somebody says the Clarity Act is dead, that's not what the current facts show. But if someone says the Clarity Act is guaranteed to pass, that's not supported either. The legislation is alive, it's advanced significantly, but major political and policy disagreements still remain. September could therefore be extremely important for crypto, and September the 15th is the day I'm watching, and it's why I bought this morning, because if 60 senators vote to move this legislation forward, America could move another major step towards something the crypto industry has wanted for years, a comprehensive federal rulebook with digital assets. And if that happens, the question becomes, how does the crypto market react? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and especially XRP, September the 15th. Put that date in your calendar. Right, I'm now going to go back to onboarding my Discord members that want to be on our exclusive white glove service. But this will go out as its own video. Please do not end. I'm not going anywhere. But for those watching later, I made this in a live stream. All my events are made live. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here and over here, I'll put something you will find useful. Everybody stand by. I'm coming right back. I've not really ended. Until next time, as always, Take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, I'm back with you. So let me now go live Q&A, plus I'm going to go to my Discordians that have applied. So here we go. I watched the video. Number 1, yeah. 2, yeah. Okie dokie. So here we go. I'm now continuing the process for my Discordians. You've got half an hour left to complete the process now. Started at 8 o'clock. It's half an hour in. Okay, so here we go. Our first applicant is through. He just has to choose his membership now. If he doesn't in half an hour, it'll be all over for this member. Let me just make sure I've processed it correctly this way as well. Done. Okay, the next one. Okay, this person, I'm not giving the names out. It's a very private club, so we don't give the names out here on YouTube. Large whales have joined us now. There we go. Let's make sure I've done this. Okay, next one. There's just 3 to do. Okay. Once you reply, you have 1 hour. And if you don't complete, there's no more applications today. You've missed it for today. So do not try today. There'll be another opportunity tomorrow. Or there'll be an opportunity this afternoon. I forgot to mention that. There'll be an opportunity this afternoon. That's correct. Okay. Congratulations, you are in. I'll come back to live Q&A in a moment and answer questions about the story I've just put out. So if you've got any comments on what you've just heard, I will answer that for you now. Okay. I'd love to give you the names of the people that I'm speaking to, but I can't for security reasons and privacy reasons. It's a very exclusive club. I think I have 2 more. Do that there. Congratulations, you're in. All right. I'm now going to go to Q&A. I'll come back to this shortly. There's 1 more. There we go. Okay. And congratulations, you are in as well. There you go. So I think we're up to date now. Yes, we are. No more applicants until this afternoon. Now I'm going to come back to the questions. What did you think about that? Let me switch to members only so no one gets left behind, because we've got a lot of people in this morning. So let me switch over to members only. That way, if you can repeat your question, repeat your comment, I'll do my best to answer it for you. But we need to be in members only mode, because if we're not, We're focusing on trolls, bots, scammers, and we haven't got time for that. All right. So let's go to members only. Nearly everyone's a member anyway. But let's do that. Right. We are now in members only mode. So if you'd repeat your question, and we'll go through live Q&A now. And we'll, oh, the bell's gone. The bell's gone right on the bell there. I was just about to miss it. Don't worry. Let's go for all our positions in 3, 2, 1. That was close. Here we go.
It's 1991.
Are we going to go to $1 million by Thursday? So my portfolio is down 4% today. I'm down is that $18,000? Yeah, $18,000 this morning. That doesn't matter when you have $1 million. That's what happens. Okay. The S&P is down 0.58, so I'm behind the market right now. I'm very red this morning. Virgin Galactic is 304. We've got some buy orders. We haven't set them yet. We discussed it on Discord last night. You know my mind. You know where I'm going to buy. You know how much I'm going to buy. Discord members and YouTube Electrum members know exactly when we're going to buy this. All right, so look out for that. We're nearly there. SpaceX has fallen this morning. This is all part of the institutional reshuffling. More institution buys throughout the night. I shared it on Discord so you all know who's been buying, how much and why and wherefore. Palantir is up today. Gold is going down. Amazon is down today. Apple is up 0.63. Enphase Energy, my top pick to go to $100 this year. Coca-Cola up. Price target of 90. We're trying to buy it lower. We're not going to chase it. But up today, very close to buying that this morning. J&J defensive is up as well. Chevron oil, the war is getting worse in Iran. It's cost now the American economy billions and billions of dollars with no benefit, no gain whatsoever. Lots of dead people, lots of violence, lots of destruction, and no benefit to anyone at the moment. It's getting worse as well. Tesla is down. I can see it going to $80. McDonald's is up today. Google down. You can see a big rally on Google coming shortly. Microsoft down. Meta, my top pick to go to $800. Nvidia is down today. Only slightly. We're expecting another run shortly. Walmart is down today. I wouldn't buy this for any more than $1. Tilray Brands has no value whatsoever. Robinhood, that is down nearly 3% today. Vertical Aerospace, no value in this. It could go bankrupt now. Joby Aviation is also down, all falling. I did warn everybody of this. The biggest one, though, was Archer Aviation. When all the bros are buying it, I warned everyone it's only worth $1.50. It keeps falling. Every day it keeps falling now. Everyone got overhyped, and everyone is now holding the bag, losing their money. There you go. You were warned. Taiwan Semiconductor is coming down. Crypto, Bitcoin is down now 0.18. XRP is up slightly, and Ethereum is pretty much flat. So there we go. There's our rundown for the day. Welcome to the big show. I hope you're doing well. Live Q&A coming up right after this. Okay, good morning and welcome to the big show. It's great to have you here. Let's now do some live Q&A for everybody as we go back to the main portfolio. Everything is falling this morning. The studio is bright red. Let me just do my head in. Right, okay, here we go. We're starting to go down for the first time now on my crypto positions, and SpaceX is falling really quickly, down 5%. Am I worried? No, I'm excited. I'm excited. I have buy orders to double my position to $2 million. So let's see what happens this morning. Let's keep our eye on crypto. Let's keep our eye on SpaceX and the S&P 500 live there on the screen. All right, let me take it up a little bit further so we can show all of that. Okay, great. Let's now do some live Q&A. So where did I change to members only chat? There we go. So the bell, Liz. Yes, we caught the bell. Only just. That was a bit close. That one, a bit tight. If you want to join Discord, the next opportunity will be this afternoon. There'll be no more onboarding Discord now. The next opportunity will be this afternoon on the closing bell. So members only. Liz rung the bell. Yes, we got the bell. Everyone's ringing the bell. I love it. You missed it. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I got it. Remember, you're a few seconds behind if you're buffered on the stream. Martin, you said you ask you again today, which secondary stock do you think greatly benefits? Oh, yes. Diesel Raider. I've not got the answer from that yet. So I'm going to take that, grab that, and get my team on it right now. Right now. There you go. There you go. Diesel. You want the answer to that? I'm going to get everybody on that now. Okay. Hi, everyone. Good morning to you. Thank you. I decided to go pro on Discord, ready to learn. Fantastic, Sticky. Did you do that this morning? Let's have a little look. I'm doing some live Q&A now. What's this? Oh, Diesel. Thank you so much for that. That's very kind of you, mate.
At Diesel_Raider tipped 99 cents through Super Chat.
Right. Just letting one of our members has just completed his application, so I'm just letting him in. There we go. And another member has just completed it as well. Yeah, that's correct. Got to keep on top of this. Please, no more applications this morning. They will not be processed until this afternoon. I'm just all I'm doing now is letting the people in that have already tried to get in. Okay, good. Lance Strength, good morning to you. I'm just going to keep buying this meta dip. Yeah, I think it's a good idea. I just can't diversify too much. I just keep focus on a few things, but I think it's a good idea. SpaceX, 135 today, Martin. Yeah, dropped quite a bit, hasn't it? I'm not worried. I hope it goes a lot lower so I can double my position. The institutions will not be selling, so no worries about it at all. Is your 200 SpaceX short squeeze scenario still alive? Yes. Yes, it is. It is, absolutely. Live Q&A. Yes, Liz. RV Capitalist. Terry Rose. Another guy said these will benefit. Rocket Lab. Well, Rocket Lab is not benefiting because of SpaceX. It's just a momentum trade. The industry is benefiting. So you've mentioned like Luna, Katos, Rocket Lab, just because it's the sector that's booming. That's not really an affiliate. It's not like they're supplying SpaceX and they're selling like sandwiches, and they're going to have a boom in business because everyone's buying sandwiches. That's not the same thing at all. So yeah, we're not talking about that. We're talking about businesses that actually benefit from SpaceX, not just go up because, not just go up because of the momentum trade. Are you looking to buy more SPCE? Yes, I am, to double the position. I am. It didn't quite get there this morning, though, for me. You didn't see the level you wanted. You didn't see the level No, I didn't. Got very close. It was a few cents away, but didn't quite get there. It's popped up this morning, and I'm okay with that because I'm already in. But yeah, it didn't go quite where I wanted it. We're having a nice little rally on Virgin Galactic this morning. This is looking good. I've got a position that is completely free. The money I've got in there now, which is $10,500, is all free, all house money. It's costing me nothing at all now to own Virgin Galactic. We've traded it. We've made profit from it. We've sold the top lots. And this is all now from money we've made. So it can run and run and run to $100. It could easily run to $4.50 in minutes. Yeah, very happy. I don't need to own any more. Very, very good. If it 10x like I think, I've got 100 grand, which is more than I deserve. So we'll just let it run. If it goes below our target, we'll double our position and we'll have $20,000. But that looks really nice. All cryptos up as well today. That's good. And I'm sure we'll get a bit of a bounce in SpaceX as well. Enphase Energy's pushing back up. Coca-Cola is going up. We nearly bought Coca-Cola. Recognized a bounce was coming, but I don't want to give back my profit that I've already made. No, there's no real point, but it nearly got there. What about SpaceX? How are we doing with SpaceX this morning? Oops, what's going on? That's the S&P. We've got screens need to be refreshed. SpaceX, there's the bounce. I wasn't at all worried. It was completely expected. It's institutions restructuring, and we can live with that. So let me come back. I don't want to miss any questions. Where did I get to? I got to here. Thank you, Martyn, for everything. Even when markets are down, I'm equally as appreciative for all you do to help the community as well as the markets. You're very welcome, Diesel. You're a great member of the family. Thank you, Terry. You didn't see the level? No, I didn't. I don't think it's going lower. Big orders at 164, and market maker loves to go where it can trade the most, says Bitcoin's Craig. RB, I have to get to the grind. You all have a great day and best of luck making money. Thank you, RB. Lovely to have you here with us. Here we go. We're all starting to go up again now. So we could be back over that 900 grand again. Up, 898. Is the $1 million happening on Thursday? Are you serious about Vertigo Aerospace? What do you mean by Vertigo Aerospace? Do you mean vertical aerospace going to zero? Should I stop? I don't believe in stop losses, but yeah, I mean, I don't like the fact it is down here at all. This whole sector is overexcited now. There's just too many cult followings just destroying it. They just keep saying we buy it at all costs, and these are people with no money, and it just puts a really bad look on the whole sector. So be careful. Going up, just touch 139. I believe in you, Martyn. Well, believe in yourself. You know, I'm just bringing the information that I have. Dina Massiano, vertical aerospace is going to zero. Should I sell all my rent? No, I don't know it's going to zero at all. But I certainly don't like it down here. And the whole sector is losing control at the moment. Is Mobix going bankrupt? Kimberly, I don't know. I've not spoken to Mobix for a while, actually. So I've got no updated information for you, I'm afraid. RB, did you look at the fan art? RB, bankrupt typo correction. That's okay. No, I've got no evidence for that, but I've not been speaking to them for a while, so I don't know. SPCE has and will be a great swing trade. Yeah, we keep picking up more when it goes lower. It's nice today. I've got some good profit there. I'm up a good amount, so good. Kimberly, you got a shout out in fan art as well. Oh, look at that. Thanks all, RB. Good morning. Fruity fellas, the fruity blokes. Vertical aerospace is not going to zero. Well, you say that, but it certainly can. So we hope it doesn't, but it certainly can. RB, I'm pretty sure 1 million is on the cards today. No, I don't think today. I think it could happen by Thursday though. Is anyone looking at Bros? Looks like it's a good level to me. I've not looked at it. What will the shirt say? that will have my name on it. High energy. Are you on the new t-shirt? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. High energy. Are you on? Yes, you are. High energy investments. We've got 10 names left. If you want your name on the shirt, we'll decide what logo go. It's all my phrases. It's to uplift you, to make you feel good about yourself, to keep you focused. That is what goes on the shirt. And we vote on the best ones. We have a World Cup competition, World Cup football competition on the last trading day that we're on air. And we will do that. We'll vote for the winner. There you go. A little bit of a false pump there, you see, on Virgin Galactic. I wasn't happy with buying it there, and it's being sold off straight away. Don't know who bought that pump, but it wasn't anywhere near. Well, it was close to where I wanted to buy it. It's not anywhere near now, though. So anyway, there you go. We'll vote on that on the last trading show. What is your wider macro picture? Treasuries, oil. Yeah, we're going to have a big pullback. September, October, I think the market's going to crash. Everything's just gone absolutely ridiculous. Good morning, Martyn. Boats by John. Bought more space on the dip. Thank you, Diesel. Right. Good morning, 1970 Buckley. So let me go back to some applications on Discord. Right. That's correct. Excellent stuff. More people have got the answers correct now, so that's good. Let me just process you. And let's have a look. And we might have our first member. Someone just said they've completed it. Let me see. No more applications, please, until later on today. So please do not apply now. Whoops. I'll provide a voice message for you. Unfortunately not. It hasn't gone through. You need to check your end. If you need help, you can now open a ticket with my team. But the hour is nearly up. You just got about 15 minutes, I think, left from when your application started. But if you want help, there's a link above here which gives you the ticket where you can. My team is on standby to help you. Real people, no AI, no bots. They'll guide you through it if there's any problems. Thank you. Right. Let's come back to our trades. We are bouncing around. The market is reshuffling at the moment. I'm not worried though at all. There you go. Been very busy this morning on the Discord for the stage event this morning. Big one this morning. Now we're back in crypto. A lot of people want to be part of that. There'll be a big one this morning. Right, I think we're up to date. I had a couple more just come in that I just completed. Please do not apply for Discord now. The next session will be this afternoon. Okay, let's go back to our positions. Virgin Galactic, as you can see, it's starting to fall back down again. I don't know why anyone would have bought that pump this morning. That was crazy. We know where the big whales are buying. We share it on Discord. We know exactly where, and we're not buying there yet. SpaceX, a little bounce, then it's just trimming down again. A lot of institutions reshuffling at the moment. If it does go below our level, which is shared on Discord and YouTube Electrum, I'll be doubling to $2 million. But I don't think there's a chance we'll go there, but you never know. The orders are set there. You all know what they are. But let's look at crypto. We bought in this morning with crypto, and I think I'm up on all my crypto. Yes, just a little bit. There we go. Re-entered into crypto, and I told you why. I'm back in on crypto. So there are 10 names left for our t-shirt. You can put your name or someone else's name on the t-shirt, and it'll come out on the 1st of the month. Remember, first show of the month. Remember, you will get a $5 gift card back, so you're getting your name on the t-shirt printed for free. If you want to know what it looks like, there's just 10 names left. This was the last one. It's martynlucasshop.com. There you go. You get the mug and the hoodie as well. There you go. And what it actually looks like is this. There you go. This was the last one. It's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. We've got our own licensed product, as you can see, our washing instructions. The logo, it's been signed, as you can see. It's also on the arm as well. And there was the logo this month. That was the one this month. And you've also got it in red and different colors for ladies and different sizes. I quite like this one. The grey one's kind of cool. And all the names are on the back. That was last month's one. Okay. And there are 10 names left that we can put on this shirt. And it also goes on Sensei and myself. We go at the bottom like that. And then once you've got that, you can also get the hoodie and you can get the mug as well. As you can see, with everyone's name on the back, it's signed. It's got the signed etched into it. Look at that. Cool, isn't it? Large mugs. Really cool. Right. Anyway, let's come back to some more Q&A. So, what else can I answer this morning? Macro, I answered that question. Brad from Ripple, yes, we are going to cover today. I'm just talking to Sensei now, who's providing it in our newsletter. But we're looking at doing the conference today, the crypto conference today. Brad Garlinghouse is in attendance, so we're looking at doing that later on today. I'm just waiting for the information to come through, and we might be doing that. Oh, hang on. When you can. Okay, that's not for now. Okay, great. What other questions do we have? Thank you. Are we live? Don't know why you always ask that. Martyn, are the big crypto ETFs, XRPs, worth investing in? Well, I prefer to buy the coin because I'm a trader and I can trade it over the weekend. Simple as that. The ETFs, if you want to just buy and hold, maybe you can trade during trading hours. But at the end of the day, for me, I want to actually own the coin to trade it over the weekend. You can't do that if you buy the ETF. So, you know, I want to be owning the actual asset itself so I can trade it. If you're looking at it in a different time horizon, you know, then that's different. But that's not the way I look at it. I'm just looking at it and making money. That's all. I don't have faith in the industry at all. I have faith in the technology and those that are using it. But those that are trading it, none whatsoever, because crypto investors don't know what they're doing half the time. They over leverage, they buy at the wrong time, they always buy the pump, and they damage it every single time. So I don't have any faith in them. I have faith in me, and I know how to make money out of it. So yeah, that's sadly what they do. Yeah. Yeah. Hi there. All the information is here. If you just If you click on the link to join, you'll see the prices. When you first joined, when you first clicked to apply, you saw the prices. It's also explained when you click on the link to join. It's also explained in the videos as well. So all the information is there for you. Or if you have any further problems, I've given you the link to the ticket. You can talk directly with my team. But unfortunately, your time is just about to run out. Thank you. Get so many people try and scam me. It's unbelievable. And I'm always polite and I'm nice to everybody, even though I know full well I'm talking to a scammer. I just think it's right to do the right thing. So anyway, I want to share something with you, don't I? About the power of fasting and the power of mind control. Now, this is going to sound absolutely crazy, and I'm expecting the trolls to go bananas and have a field day, but I don't care. I'm not here for them. I'm here for my members. So I'm going to share something with you now. You'll know over the last 4 years, I've read the market perfectly. I've beaten the market 4 years in a row. And not only am I surrounded by the greatest people, the best people, but I'm also in touch with my own
I can't believe
intuition.
this.
At Gale 6706 has
new
become
member.
a member.
Thank you. You just gone to Electrum. Fantastic. So you've also got to have intuition. You've got to read the market and so on and so forth. Now, remember I told you when I enter autophagy after a few days of being on fasting, which is now I'm halfway through. I started on Sunday at 7 p.m. So 7 p.m. tonight, it'll be 48 hours. So I'm halfway through. I end it on Thursday when the $1 million is done. When we close on the market on Thursday for the unlocks. But you know, I've always had an extra sense, ESP, extrasensory perception. It's when you have other senses that you employ. You can sense thing. I'm not going to go too crazy on this because people will pick up on this and run with it, and that's okay. But I'm just telling you the truth. So last night, I was down in Dallas at Stretch Labs. I was doing my weekly stretch. I went down there, and the power was out. The power had been out all day.
I can't believe this.
And they had the emergency lights
At
on.
Marcus Parsons 3865
another new
has
member.
become
Thank
a
you.
member.
Thank you. And they had the beeping. Beep, 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 emergency power. And they were going, oh, we're sick of this. As they were working on my body, they were saying, oh, I'm sick of this. It's been doing it all day. And then it started to go beep constantly. All right. It was beeping and it was annoying everybody. And I had one of my premonitions, and I had one of my moments where I feel something, and I don't know what it is, but I feel something, and I'm just lying there on the bed, and I said to everybody, and they were getting all frustrated about this, and they were apologizing about this constant beep, 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 whatever. And I said what I say to you. I said, and I shouted across the room because there was other people being treated at the same time, so I wasn't the only one. So I said, everybody, sorry to interrupt. Everyone's stressed, I hear. I sense everyone is stressed about this power cut and this noise. I said, if you focus on the problem will remain. But if you stop focusing on the problem and focus on the solution, in other words, you'll be out of here soon and there'll be no noise. The moment you focus on the solution, it'll stop. And guess what happened? Can anyone even guess what happened next? Within 1 second of me saying that, what happened? And then when I came home, something else happened. I've got a light on my house which hasn't worked for 5 years. And when I came home, the light was on. The light is broken, and the light came back on. Now, of course, I can't prove any of this to you. You wasn't there last night. But it happened. It doesn't matter to me whether you believe me or not. I'm just telling you what happened. But anyway, for those of you who didn't guess, no one actually replied. The moment I said, do not focus on the problem, focus on the solution. And if you do, it will stop. I felt it was the right thing to say at that moment. And I said it, and it stopped. It had been running all day, and it stopped within 1 second. Now, I know people will share that and turn that around and think I'm mad, and that's fine. But I often, from time to time, I like to share with you little secrets like that, little moments like that, because it's the truth. I don't mind if you want to laugh and think I'm a lunatic. Doesn't bother me. I've had this gift all my life, and I don't know why it is. Some people say when they get like a headache, and I put my hands on the head, and I say a few things, and they say it makes the pain go away. I don't know why that is. I have no idea, but it happens. And I'm just sharing it with you because it happened last night, and the light is still on outside my house. Anyway, you don't need to respond to that. I'm just sharing it with you. Another person wants to get into Discord. There you go. Put that out there. Congratulations. In. All right. That's done. Oh, I've got to click on that. Right. So now at the moment, there's no more news on crypto. There's nothing else to say about it this morning. We're waiting for Sensei to give me an update on the conference, and we'll try and cover it for you. All my crypto is up. I felt this morning it was the right time to buy back in. Now, before you think I'm completely mad, and that's fine, about these things that I talk about from time to time, I'll tell you something else. You know, when you're just living around, you're about, and you hear, they call it an earworm, is when you get some music in your head. Have you ever experienced that? Suddenly, you think of a song, I don't know, Aha, Take On Me. It's in your head. You turn on the radio, and it's playing. Have you ever experienced that? If you have, say yes. Have you ever experienced that where you've heard a song in your head, and then you've turned on the radio, and it's playing? There's a reason why that happens. Does anyone know why that happens? Have you ever experienced it? If you have, let me know in the chat you've experienced that, and I'll tell you why it happens. Let me read some of the comments. What about Fartcoin? Yeah, I won't be buying any of that. Be behind the XRP exchange, the White House. Yes, we are going to cover it if we can. Martyn, being that I'm stuck holding MicroStrategy, is there any chance I can finally get out with the good news on crypto? Yeah, I think MicroStrategy is ridiculous. I would never have bought that. That whole stride thing is ridiculous. I mean, if Bitcoin goes up, strategy goes up as well. So, I mean, there's that, of course. Finally, a member again. Oh, Mano. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Anubis. Thank you to Rob. Oh, but Amano, if you don't renew it, it'll expire again. You want to go and renew it now and upgrade to Electrum so you don't lose anything. That's what you should do. Anyway, let's read these comments. Returning member. Excellent. We are back in XRP, I see. Yes. Yes, we are. Yes, we're back in XRP and we're up on all of it. Change the radio station, like Martyn says. What do you mean, Liz? Martyn has 27 senses while we have 6. It stopped. Correct. It stopped. Yeah. Yeah. Now we're selling broken light in addition to broken fridges. You're the light. 140,000. I see you. 144,000. What do you mean? You're the light. 144,000. I see you. I don't understand what that means. Amazing to hear. Glad there is more of us. Love that story. Gotta run, says Liz. Thanks. That stuff happens to me too. I'm weird, but it says I'm thankful for being connected to the source. It's weird, isn't it? Yeah, you're mad. Jokey, said Matthew Booley. It's fine. I like when we talk about these things. Yes. Okay, many of you have experienced getting music in your ear. Shall I tell you why it does it? And it's not what everyone tells you it is. I'll tell you why it does it. So the reason why you hear a song in your head and then you turn the radio on and it's playing, right, is because your brain is a tuner. If you know what a tuner is, it's I'm a qualified electronics engineer, so I understand exactly what a tuner is. It's a copper wire round a magnet, and it picks up frequencies and goes through some resistors and transistors and amplifiers or what have you. But essentially, the brain is a tuner. It can tune into things.
Adam Huntington 718 tipped $5 through Super Chat. Thanks for your insights and dedication, Martyn. I've learned quite a lot from being a member. I would like to get my name on the shirt. Inspire Media.
Okay, 9 names left. That's it now. Only 9 names left. Let me write that down. Let me put that there. Yep. Nice Media. NSPYR. Nice Pirate Media. I've copied it as you wrote it. 9 names left. It'll be on a mug, a hoodie, and a t-shirt for the inspirational phrase that comes out on the first show of September. We'll vote on which image it will be on the last show of August, and you get your $5 back as well. If you pay more, you go to the top or higher up on the list of the names. But you'll get your $5 back, M. Huntington, when you buy the t-shirt as well. You get a $5 refund as well. So you get your $5 back. So your brain is actually a tuner. So essentially, the frequencies are flying through your head all the time. And you've managed to tune in and hear it, even though you don't know you've heard it. But you think you have. And when you turn the radio on, it's on. That's how it works. It's not magic. It's not some weird thing. It's just science. And we are receptors. We pick up frequencies. We can emit energy. You can influence people with your energy. That's how it works. A lot of people don't understand that, but yeah. Yeah. There you go. Right now, I'm in the middle of a 4-day fast. I've not eaten anything. I've lost 3 pounds already. And I don't look at today or tomorrow. All I can see in my mind is Thursday when the bell rings. That's all I can see. Because on Thursday when the bell rings, I could be a millionaire with my SpaceX, with the unlocks. I think I will be. I don't know for sure. How can I know? But that's what I think. And on top of that, on Thursday when the bell rings, Leah will bring me a boiled egg with some pepper on it, and I shall eat it with a nice cup of tea. And all I can see is that. I can't see the uncomfort and the frustration and the hunger between now and then. I just see the goal. Hello, Martyn and all. Paul, how you doing? Belm, I think it's awesome not to be alone in this category of human experiences. Kimberly, that's nice. Have you had similar experiences? What's happened to you? What sort of things have you experienced? What do you mean 114,000 is in the Bible? What does that mean? Why are you saying that? 144,000. What does that mean? Influence animals as well. No idea. Hi, Martin. I like you are calmer during fasting. Do you? Do you like this calmer approach? Is it more of a radio show? Like Harry Stern. What's his name? Howard Stern. Howard Stern live on the radio. Do you prefer the more calmer approach? I can be calm. I choose to be excited. I choose to be, excited. Do you prefer the calmer approach? I can be calm if you want. This is what I do. I choose to be who I want to be. You should sell some Lucasade candles. No power here for a week after the tornadoes. Oh no, I'm so sorry, Paul. Bloody hell, mate. Yestin, hello everyone. Yestin Wynn is our moderator on Discord and on YouTube. He works in the team with William. Great to have you here, mate. Great work, by the way. If you've experienced Yestin, he answers questions for you. He goes live for you and he helps you out. He's absolutely brilliant. I am Wolfer on Discord. Do you want me to go and search for you? Is that what you're saying? You want me to go and search for you? Right, Wolfer. Let me go and search for you. Have you applied to be on Discord? Is that what it is? Wolfer. How do you spell that? WULTHOR. Wolfer. Okay. You're not on Discord. Are you a new applicant? But you're not a member. Let's see if you've. Oh, there you go. Oh, you are our most recent. Well, I did end the application. Would you like to join, Walther? If you want to join, I can do it. I wasn't going to do it, but do you want to join? You get one chance at it, 1 hour. If you mess it up, you can't apply again. You get banned. You've got to be able to complete it. Do you want me to send you the message? And do you want to reply yes? Okay. Do you want to do that, Walther? Let me know in the chat. I'll do it for you now. I'll send you the message and only reply if you want to start the process. If you don't reply. Okay? Because you only get an hour. There you go. I've sent it to you now. There's a couple of, I'll sod it. I'll do it. There's a couple of people going, can I join as well? Okay. Well, only reply to this if you are ready. Oh, there's a scammer. God. Reject. Ban. Never get a chance again. I don't know why people do that. So silly. So if you reply to this, you've got 1 hour. And if you don't get it right or don't complete it, it's all finished. You can join somebody else's Discord server, but you won't be able to join ours. Right, there you go. There's not too many, is there? If I started something I shouldn't have... Have I started something I wish I hadn't started? I thought there was just a couple. I'm going to put a minute on the clock, and all I'm going to do is a minute of running down this list, because I said to you the next time would be this afternoon, not now. What time is it? 9:15. We've got our Discord event in a minute where we're going to set up our trades for SpaceX, Virgin Galactic, Bitcoin, XRP. I'll have a vote today, actually. I might have a vote. Ah, why did I start this? I thought there was only 1 or 2. That's 10. Right, that's it. Done it. That wasn't too bad. Oh, Warther says yes. Okay. All right. Now you've replied yeah. The 1 hour has already started. You could be on our Discord event this morning if you complete this. So there you go. It's up to you now, mate. There you go. Upload that. There's your video. There's your voice note. You're off and running. Okay. It's up to you now, mate. Don't mess it up. That's Warther on Discord. Motto 8, only if you're only if you're a Jehovah's Witness. Oh, I see. I'm not religious at all. I don't know anything about it. I don't know anything about it at all. I am focused on all my energy on space set to go up massively before Friday. Yeah, I think it will. I thought the microphone sounded different. Is it my TV or is it Martyn's calm tones? I don't know. Is it? Not sure it counts. But as a kid, I could feel when someone is looking at my back and determine if it will rain the day hearing, really? Wow. I'm entering autophagy now. My brain is sparkling. My mind is really alert now. I can feel it. Don't change Martyn. I like all versions of Martyn's energy. Oh. Good morning, Tuna Brains. Oh, my dear. What's all that about? I'm on your Discord, but everything is locked. Did my pro membership not go through? Well, if you give me your username, I'll look for you or open a ticket. You may have left or not renewed. Yes, sir. I was on a month ago. Did you leave then, did you? Did you not complete? What happened? Esther Hicks explains the tuning well. Oh. Like the whole deja vu thing, it had that happen to me many times where you feel like you've been in the place before and you've experienced the same. I know it's weird, isn't it? Yes, I was driving and a storm was happening and I stopped and a small rainbow was in the field. And when I turned around and the black cloud and the strong storm passed, a rainbow surrounded me. What? What was that? Hang on. I was driving and a storm was happening and I stopped and a small rainbow was in the field. And when I turned around and the black cloud and the strong storm passed, a rainbow surrounded me. How about that? The Bible mentions 144,000 in Revelation 7 and Revelation 14. They are portrayed as people specially sealed by God. I don't know anything about that. I don't know anything about that. All I do is, I don't know what I do, actually. I don't know what I do, actually. I've just gone with my gut. I just go with what I feel is right. And I just never stop. I never get put off. I don't know. Don't know anything about it. No idea. I will let smarter people like you know all about that. All right. More meta for me. Yeah, I know. That's what whoever said is probably referring to. You probably have. Oh, do I? I have some magic. I don't know. Also dream of things that happen. So I think I don't dream of things. I see it. I actually see it. I see the $1 million. I see all these things, actually. I see us becoming, a global, like a billion channel. I see it. Yeah, physically see it. It's weird it is. Did you start your fasting today? No, don't follow me, please. I'm not a doctor. You shouldn't follow me. This isn't medical advice. I started on Sunday, 7 p.m. I share it all on Instagram. I'm sharing my thoughts. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I've got a little private club. And I share my thoughts, my progress, and pictures and videos. There's me on Instagram. There you go. I love Discord. It's like its own little world. It is its own little world. It's the Lucas Aid village. You're absolutely right. I'm a Christian, but I say one because Revelation says we will call him God the One. Ah, okay, Kimberly. Last time Brad went for a chat with Trump, the price plummeted. Let's hope it reverses today. Ah, yes. Oh, Mr. Sticky is my username on... Oh, I've seen that. Mr. Sticky, I've seen that. Let me go and search for you. Payment isn't available. Have you asked the team to help you? We've got people on standby waiting to help you. William, Yestin, they're waiting to help you. All right? You don't need to be alone. There's no bots. There's no AI helping you. It's real humans. We like it that way. Funnily enough. Surprise, surprise. Sounds silly when you say it, doesn't it, really? Why would you want to talk to a robot? Mr. Sticky. Oh, there you go. You've applied. You haven't finished it, though. Yeah, you never finished it. You're due to be kicked out. Yeah. You didn't finish it. Why did you not finish it? Let's have a look. Let's look at your application. Application. Congratulations, you're in. When did you get in? Oh, this morning. Oh, now. You're new this morning, Mr. Sticky. Okay. That's just happened now. Right. So let me give you a little message here. Let me help you out. Where are you? I'm trying to find you, Mr. Sticky. Where are there? Oh, there you are. Hi there. I'm just leaving you a voice note while talking to you on YouTube. So if payment's not available, I mean, there's not much we can do. We don't control your payments or your credit card. We have no control over that. But if you go on the link above, I've given you the helpline, the ticket. My team, William or Yestin, will guide you through it. Very often, if you use a Apple Pay, it kind of fixes it. But if you've got any problems, just go and do that. But I can't do any more than that, I'm afraid. Maybe Discord's not right for you. And if it's not right for you, you can join YouTube Electrum and get all my trades there. So I'll do that with you. Right, Mr. Sticky, I just sent you a message. You've just probably heard it twice now. There you go. Mr. Sticky. There you go, back to my 18. There you go. Do-do-do. Right. Coast to Coast AM with Martyn Lucas. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Lucas Radio. Christian, too good to see you here. Just love me. Just love me. I mean no disrespect. Just love from me. There you go. Subwoofer. I've been talking about a song and turn on the radio and it's playing Wake Up randomly middle of the night, feeling I need to check my stocks and find out what's the highest they've been later in the day. Oh my God, really? I was engulfed by a rainbow and it followed me for at least half a mile. What an experience. Whoa, look at that. You missed it, Martyn. You missed it. What did I miss? You missed it. What did I miss? What did I miss? Some motto A team, love and respect to all. It's like Martyn's own Valium or something. Not sure if I like this. He hasn't called anyone a bloody idiot or anything. I can see him start, mate. Don't worry about that. Every Friday when you think of a song, it can play on YouTube at the pub. Every Friday when you think of a song, it can play on... That's right, Zach Zeit. Could tell you were a bit fried on Discord last night. You ended up by saying you were doing the drink ketosis. Yeah, guessing you meant to say electrolytes. Yes, electrolytes. Yeah. Oh, yes. Yeah, yeah. You can't drink ketosis. Well, that'd be weird. What's that? Oh my God. Are you a member in the Channel Islands? Oh, JD can help you out. Use a VPN. What do I need to do? I think I've left you the message now, right? XRP says in the Bible there are 12 sealed by God tribes, each numbering 12,000, hence the 12. Oh. Try using a VPN. Yeah, that works really well. Where do you see SpaceX on Friday? Well, if I'm right, $200. Oh, my crypto is pumping. Oh, how about it? I just bought into this morning. I had a kind of feeling it was the right time to buy. And well, that's handy. That's handy. Isn't it? How about that? There you go. Yord. There you go. Hi, Yord. Please add more to question number 3. I need to know you've watched the video for your security. Give me the answer to number 3 in more detail. Thank you. How about that? Who's ever bought crypto and it goes up on the day you buy it? It never happens, does it? It always goes down. Bloody hell, look at that. All my crypto's up. Well, that was handy. How nice is that? Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. That information was good. That information was good about the Clarity Act not being important. How about that? So, what's everyone make of that? That's nice. I love it. I'm blocked from the help ticket. You're blocked from the help ticket. If you give me a username, I'll go and search for you. If you've tried before and you got it all, you answered all wrong and you didn't choose a membership, that's probably why. I have an iPad too. An iPad too. Great. It could work if he uses VPN. It worked for me. Oh, look at my crypto. How did he know? Martyn's been out of crypto for nearly 6 months. And the day he buys back in, it's up. How did that work out? How does that always happen for Martyn Lucas? How does that always happen? He bought the bottom in SpaceX, he bought the bottom of the S&P, he sold the top of the S&P, he bought the bottom of Coca-Cola, sold the top of Coca-Cola, bought the bottom of crypto. How does that always happen for Martyn Lucas? Why does that happen? Don't know. I've no idea, honestly. I don't even care. I just like winning and I like sharing it with you. And there it is. Take it or leave it. Stick it in your pipe and smoke it. Request. Okay. Looks like we got a new member joining us today. Walther got the questions right, but will he choose his membership before the time runs out? Well, we'll find out in a minute. I bet he will. I bet this guy is going to do it. There you go, Walther. Walther Van Ross. He's probably thinking, who the hell is that? If he's under my age, you'll have no idea. Look at that. Martyn was right again. Martyn was right again. E-I-L-E-O. Martyn was right again. He bought crypto at the bottom. He bought crypto at the bottom. E-I-L-E-O. He bought crypto at the bottom. How did he know? How did he know? E-I-L-E-O. How did he know? Oi! Oh, God. It's getting embarrassing now, isn't it? Oh, my God. Well, there you go. Sensei feeding you information. That's it. Well, it's the White House. It's all sorts. Ripple, banks, Robinhood, everybody. 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 So who joined? Oh, so we got quite a few joined this morning. Oh, we got a pro member. Oh, we got 2 pro members. We got a Lucasade member. We got another pro member, another pro member. Oh my gosh, 8 pro members and 1 standard member this morning. Flipping out. Oh, hang on. Oh, Mr. Sticky's gone pro. Oh, I'm tired with the... I'm getting tired because of the... what do you call it? What's this thing called that I'm doing? Fasting. Ketosis and stuff. XR. Oh, it's got to be in it. It's got to be. Ready? XRP. Always believe in your flow. You've got the strength that we know.
XRP song.
Now then,
long version. Cool face emoji.
if you think the XRP song is good, because it is, I've got a whole pop video made for it. There's a ringtone, there's a thumbnail, there's a poster, there's a wallpaper. You can buy it for, I think, $2. You can buy the XRP song, the video, all of it. Share it, gets everyone to buy it. Every time it trends on YouTube, everyone buys XRP. Do you want to get it? Inside Discord, in the shop, only on a browser. It's not on your phone. Go on a browser. You'll find the shop. And for $2, you can buy the XRP song, video, ringtone, wallpaper. And when you do, it unlocks a secret channel inside Discord where we share secrets that no one else hears about. And then you put the music, the video, and all the rest of that you own. You own the copyright. You share it on social media and watch how XRP will go up. Does it every time. So there you go. Inside Discord, there's a shop. I'm not going to tell you where it is. You got to find it. And then you only see it on a browser. We don't make it easy for you. It's not on a phone. It's on a browser. You can go on a browser on your phone, and then you'll find the XRP song, the video, the ringtone, all of it, and then you can get it. It's like $2, I think it is. There you go, a proper pop video. How about it? How about that? Right, let me come back to. Oh, hello, hello. What's going on, Discord? Spot on, mate. One of our members didn't quite get the question right. I told him what to do, and now he's done it. I probably, to end the show in a minute, I've got to go and drink some water. Otherwise, I'm going to pass out. Whoops. Oh. Got to give you this one. Yord. Congratulations. That was me singing, by the way, in case you're wondering who that person was singing. It was me. It was my pop video. Right, there you go. Congratulations. You're in. Uploads. You're in. You're in. And all I need to do now is give you the little magic over here. Oh, what's this? Oh, we got a super chat. We got a super chat. We got a super chat.
At Sufi Yankan 4,966 tipped £1.99 through super chat. Expect the Fed to say that a hike isn't necessary.
That's correct. That is correct. That is correct. Is that your Discord name? Is that what you're sharing that for? You want me to go and look for you? Let me go and have a look. K-Quest. Oh, I've seen that name. I recognize these names. I've seen that name around the place. Around the place. Let me go and have a look. I'm going to look around the place. I'm first of all going to look in here, see if you're on the server. Oh, you are. You are a Lucasade, not a pro member. You only get one stage event a week, not twice a day. You get my trades during the day, not 24 hours a day. And you can't send me a friend request for direct support. So, yeah. What did you want to know? K-Quest. What did you want to know? You just get... I can't remember now what you wanted. I'm blocked from Help Ticket. No, you're not. You are not blocked from Help Ticket. Absolutely not blocked from Help Ticket. You are not blocked. No one's blocked from a Help Ticket. That doesn't make any sense. You're a member. You're on the service. Let me see. Whoops. No, you're not. You're not blocked from the Help Ticket. There's no such thing as being blocked from the Help Ticket. Do you want me? I don't send messages, but do you want me to give you the link to it? Do you want me to get? You know, I don't like sending messages to people, and we've got it set where you don't. You know, you're not looking for messages because you shouldn't be from me. You send them to me. I don't send them to you. But do you want me to give you the link to the? There you go. You didn't do some of the things we asked you to do because I shouldn't be able to message you because we asked you to turn that off. But I'll give you the link to the Help Ticket. All right. And there you go. Copy link. I'm giving it to you now. There you go. There's the Help Ticket. Wait, am I a human? Yes. I've got to, what I've got to do? I've got to do that. There we go. Got to complete the chain. There you go. I've just sent you the Help Ticket. I don't like sending ticket messages, but you were like, help me out, so I helped you out. Okay. No, oh, what's that message request? Okay. Let's carry on. I've got to go to Discord now. We've got a stage event coming up. Also on SpaceX and ready to rinse and repeat. I know what you mean, Kimberly. I was born in the JWs, but later. Oh yeah. Reform to us. Oh, okay. We got all sorts going on here. Martin, would love you to play Bruce Hornsby in the Range, Mandolin Rain. That's just the way it is. That's quite a good song, that, isn't it? I've never learned it though. Give me a really, really obscenely large super chat, and I'll learn it for you. It's fair, isn't it? How tired do you feel, Martin? I called my employee a tired imbecile when he messed up, but I'm not sure I used the right context. I just like the word. I feel fine. XRP might be going up because of the hype from the meeting today. Nothing you got it, Martin. Yeah, I've checked that one. I bought a little crypto on limit order last night. Must be time to be in. Sensei feeding you information. Yeah. 90% intuition, 10% pimp sensei. I'm a pro member now. Yay! You are, Sticky. Yes, you are. Stage event in a minute. I just read the Bible so I could know for sure what it was about. I had my encounter. I study a lot of information on the subject. Luther Vandross. Here and now, great artist. Sticky yep, Sticky's in. Martin was right again. Use the iPhone apps. It's difficult to change. Yeah, always you use a browser. We tell you, it's crazy, right? We tell everybody in the video to use a browser. People don't listen, and then they go, "I didn't listen, and now I'm stuck." We go, "Well, yeah, we told you that." And it's like, what's the point? We tell people, but no one listens.
At Paul 8168 tipped $19.99 through Super Chat. Okay, Bruce Hornsby songs lol.
I got to do it now, ain't I? I got to do it now. I got an insane super chat. I got one Diesel Radio. Got his song first. Outfield. Got to learn his song first. But let me write that down. So Whoops. That's just the way it is. Bruce. Hello. My name's Bruce. Bruce Hornsby. And the range. Can we go without the range? Just Bruce Hornsby. How about that? Right. Who was that for? Who gave me that super chat? Who was that? That was Paul. Paul D. Right. Paul D. $20. So I will let you know when I've learned it. All right. Paul D. Now in crypto, totally crazy and confused. Totally crazy. Yeah. You should never buy crypto. It's a crazy world. The crazy world of crypto nonsense. No one gets it. No one understands what's going on. All right. I've got to go because it's time for me to get ready for our stage event. Are we at $1 million yet? 895. Boo. We're under 900. We're under 900,000. I ate it down there. I liked it at 900. I liked it at 918 yesterday. I liked it there. We were very close. So let me set up the Discord event. Oh, we got another person trying to join now. Yeah. Okay, let me drop that. I'm going to go and have some water now and some electrolytes. In fact, I can't have them until they arrive, 5 o'clock tonight. I ran out, and I'm going to have some water instead. That I'll have to do for now. That's just the way it is. Oh, yeah. That's just the way it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, baby, baby. Yeah, I've learned it. Brilliant, isn't it? Right, let me set up. Let me set up the events. So here we go. Create an event. I'm back in crypto. Stage channel. Pro members only. Yes. I'm back in crypto. At 10 o'clock in 15 minutes. Boom, boom. Drop that there. Boom, boom. Shake the room. Everybody shake the room. Boom, boom. That was good, wasn't it? Just made that up. Okay. There's the event. Create the event. I'll give everybody a link now. Oh, we got a new pro member. Everyone's joining today. Copy link. Yeah. Let me give you the stage show. Stage event is called. That's what it's called. So at everyone. So if you follow at everyone, you will get this live now. Send that to everybody, and then publish. Yeah. Well, that was quick. William Bond. He liked it in 1 second. I'm impressed. William Bond gets points. William Bond, give yourself some points from the coins for being quick, being on it like a car bonnet. Right. Okay. Let's end this, folks. Martyn, could this be a chance of finding it out? Yeah, it could be. I wouldn't. Yeah. Get your money out of that. It's bloody rubbish. Just buy Bitcoin or just buy crypto yourself. There you go. Okay. Bruce the Shark. Bruce Hornsby and the Lucasades. That's it. That's the only way to do it, isn't it? If I'm honest. That's the only way to go. Right, I'm not looking at that anymore. It's rubbish. It's upsetting me. It's bringing me down. It's bringing me down. Let me go to crypto. That's bringing me up. That's better, isn't it? That's better. I'm having that. Right. Okay. We're going to go over. So what I'm going to do now, as we always do, at the beginning of today's show, there was lots of information, if you missed it, about crypto. Why I'm back in. All the information. Most of you missed it. No, you didn't. You all saw it, right? So what I'm going to do now, though, is I'm going to send you all to Extra so you can catch up what you just missed, and you can watch it live because it's streamed live with live chat. People watching from different countries around the world, tuning in different times, right? So live now on Extra. Drop that in there. Let me pin that to the top. Replace Discord because that's now shut. No more entries to Discord until this afternoon. Replace the pin. Right, I've done that. Replace the pin. Now what I got to do is the clever part. I've got to put today's show in the playlist on YouTube, on Extra. So I have to go into this show that I'm in right now and have to add it to the playlist on Extra. EXT. Type it in. Click done. Click save. Right. Now I go over to here. Click there. You've all got the link, and you shall watch it appear magically where we're going now, because we were covering this. We were covering the flight of SpaceX, but now we're going over. Oh yeah, there's flights all the time, but you missed it, right? You were asleep during the night. I was up. So, not literally. It's the Extra channel. It's a replay. Okay, so I'm going to send you all now to here. Watch. Go over here. Escape. Refresh. Find the live stream. I know you can't see me. You can just see the back of my chair, right? It's okay. Click on this show now. Take it to the beginning, because that's the best place to watch it. Click that. Click that. Lots of clicking going on this morning. And click that. Have you seen it change? Of course you have. It's changing now. So we're going to end the show. It's going to send you over there to the crypto show that you just missed. So if you missed it, you can watch it as a past live stream on this channel, or on the Extra channel, you can watch it with live chat. People will talk to you in the chat about it. Different countries, different time zones, tuning in at different times. All the things that you missed, all the facts about Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum and Solana this morning. So there you go. Click on the link. It'll take you there automatically. I'll see everybody in Discord. And there are now 9 names left on the t-shirt if you want to get one on the 1st of September. That's it from me. Thank you very much. I'll see you over on Discord in 10 minutes on Extra right now, and then back for the closing bell. And we will try and cover the crypto news if we can. All right? It's all good. But I bought it anyway. I don't need to hear the news. I know I'm going to make some money because I always make money. Take care of yourselves and each other. Woo!